Well, it's delivery day and I'm a little sad and excited. I'm sad because I'm saying goodbye to my first EV, Model 3 long range, and I'll be trading in for a Model Y Performance. So we're headed out there today. We're about to head out, and actually this delivery center is a lot closer than the previous ones that we've been to, so I'm actually happy about that. Don't have to drive that far. And so hopefully what we'll find is no problems, no panel gaps, no misalignments, and no other issues. So let's go. All right, so we've arrived here in Upland. It's the new Tesla delivery center, and there are a ton of Teslas here, mostly 3s and Ys. This is the old CNC building off the 210 and campus, but there's a lot of cars waiting to be delivered here, so hopefully mine's cleaned and ready to go. I walked around a little bit. There were many Model 3 and Model Ys. Most were white, most were performance. Many opted for this trim level to get the car sooner. I'm very lucky to have gotten my VIN number a week after placing my order. A week later, I'm taking delivery of my car, so a total of 2 weeks. My sales rep said it was a record for him. I waited a few minutes for them to print out some papers to sign. This was for my trade-in. Everything was done over the app before delivery day. I already submitted my driver's license information, insurance, registration information, and payment. You can arrange the full payment or down payment. They use a service from Plaid. You connect your bank account information and they take care of the rest. After signing the paperwork for my trade-in, I walked outside to my car. I did my external inspection. Once I'm satisfied, I go into the Tesla app and take delivery of the car. I can now unlock the car with my phone. The key cards are in the cup holder. I do my inspection inside. That's pretty much it. It's our third Tesla, so we didn't need any additional assistance or "Welcome to Tesla" presentation. The car seemed to be in good condition. The process probably took less than 20 minutes, including me inspecting the vehicle. After we left the dealership, we went to the wrap shop where we wrapped Abby's car. This is not a sponsored video, but we often get asked about Abby's Model Y wrap, so I figured to give them a shout out in this video. They do a good job. So I did a quick pit stop here at Wrap Legacy. This is where we wrapped Abby's Y, and I'm planning on also wrapping my Y, and also we're gonna bring our X here to get it wrapped. But they let me borrow this dragon red looking thing, so let's go see. I don't know, what do y'all think? It's that red color? Oh man, that would look nice. I don't know, but it's it has a glossy finish, and I don't really like the glossy finish. I don't know. What do you guys think? I'm leaning more towards the red because I really wanted a red Y, but didn't want to pay the $2,000 for the red. I'd rather put the $2,000 towards a wrap, so we'll see. What about this red? I don't know. I like the darker red, but I guess that looks nice too. I don't know, but yeah, I want to get it wrapped. I want a matte finish, not a glossy finish, but the matte finish in our other Model Y, it gets really dirty. I think maintenance is a lot worse on matte finish, but we'll see. I don't know, just checking things out. So I'm with my dude right here, Wrap Legacy, Jonathan. If you need anything, this is the guy. Anything. He'll hook you up.
Yeah. I mean, check it out, man. You guys already know we're going with the Tesla.
Got this gold Model 3 that they're working on. They got a Supra. Oh, that's a Lexus, huh? RC?
Oh, that's an RCF.
RCF.
Yeah.
And a BMW. So they're always working on some good stuff here. Go check them out. They're in Upland. Just hours old, and already we're putting food in the front, but that's what the front's for. Only hours after taking delivery. Boy. Let's all be more considerate, please. Thankfully, no dings. My heart was racing while I was walking back. It was a long day. I'll be doing more videos on the Model Y performance. Can't wait to get a bike rack on it. I'm still thinking about the wrap. Definitely going to tint the windows. Those who are still waiting, hang in there. It's worth the wait. Please be sure to subscribe and like the video, and thanks for watching.